Hey, this is Joe from Presonus. In this Studio One Minute, I'm going to show you 6 click track tricks in Studio One. Number 1, you can turn the click or metronome on or off by pressing the C button on your keyboard. Number 2, you can adjust the volume of the click by clicking and dragging on this little fader right here. Number 3, you can send your click track to a different output of your interface by clicking the Outputs tab here, dragging this out, choosing the output you want to use, and just selecting the click button. I can even turn the click off in my main output and have it only go out to output 5. Number 4, I can change the subdivisions on my click by clicking this wrench down here and bringing up the offbeat setting. Number 5, I can upload my own custom sounds. Click, 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 click. And number 6, if I want to have the click on its own track, I can always print it by clicking the render button here.